Hey guys, Matt from Jans for Pioneer DJ. So one of the most common questions we've been getting asked quite a lot is which controller is right for me? We're going to run you through a few different options to ensure you make the best decision for your DJing needs. Entry or newbies. So whether you're wanting to pick up DJing for the very first time or already have some sort of experience but want something to pull out at any time, this is the category for you. Introducing the XDJ-200. Start your journey into DJing with ease with the XDJ-200. Although small and lightweight, this unit packs some of the entry-level features but a pro-style layout to get you spinning music right out of the box. This unit features the ability to use your iPhone, Android, PC and Mac computer, compatibility with WeDJ, Pioneer DJ's free smartphone application, Rekordbox DJ, DJ and eDJing mix, transition effects, 16 performance pads and Bluetooth MIDI connectivity. Introducing the XDJ-400. The XDJ-400 is also the ideal piece of kit for the first time DJs in Rekordbox. This controller enables you to easily learn the basics, plus it's packed with features that will help you develop your skills before you hit the main stage. This unit features 2-channel club style layout including effects, a built-in sound card, a mic input, USB bus powered, lightweight ergonomic footprint, Rekordbox DJ hardware unlocked. Introducing the XDJ-SB3. If Serato is your preferred DJing software, the XDJ-SB3 should be your entry-level controller of choice. This 2-channel controller is easy to navigate and features a pro-style layout inspired by some of the top XDJ-S units. This unit features Serato DJ Lite hardware unlock, dedicated cue, play, sync, shift, 16 performance pads, built-in sound card, 4-deck control, mic input, pad scratch feature, and its lightweight ergonomic footprint. Mid-general. So let's say you've had some DJing experience, or you wanted to purchase a controller with the intention of playing gigs. This is the category you should find yourself in. Introducing the XDJ-SR2. Want to take it to the next level with Serato? The XDJ-SR2 inherits design traits and features from our Pro DJ gear, but is bundled with the Serato Pro Performance license. This unit features dedicated hardware for Serato Pro functions and features, multicolour performance pads, needle search, audio mixer feature, and Pro XLR outputs. Introducing the XDJ-800. Take a pro setup wherever you want to go with the XDJ-800. A new compact 2-channel DJ performance controller for dedicated use with our professional performance application, Rekordbox DJ. This unit features light, compact but durable body, colour on-jog displays, 16 performance pads, audio mixer feature, a club-style layout, a mic feedback reducer, and a Rekordbox DJ hardware unlock. Introducing the XDJ-RR. Standalone and turning up to a gig with your tracks on a USB is more your thing. The XDJ-RR is for you. This unit features a club standard Nexus 2 layout, dual USB-A ports, 7-inch interface screen, performance controls, and a lightweight and portable footprint. Advanced Pro. So let's say you've had some DJ experience or you're wanting to jump in and play around with some features seen on some of the industry standard models. This is the category for you. Introducing the XDJ-1000 and the XDJ-1000 Serato. Whether Rekordbox or Serato is your DJ software of choice, the 4-channel XDJ-1000 or XDJ-1000 SRT inherits the layout and feels familiar to a CDJ DJM club standard setup. All the same professional features are there too, including low latency, full-size jog wheels from the CDJ-2000 Nexus 2 and the slick magwell fader with tight scratching. This unit features the XDJ-1000 Rekordbox DJ hardware unlock on the XDJ-1000 SRT, a Serato DJ Pro voucher, on-jog display, 4-channel audio mixer, 2 USB ports, an improved magwell fader, 16 performance pads, and a Nexus 2 layout. Introducing the XDJ-RX2. Again, if a standalone controller is more your equipment of choice, you can't go past our flagship 2-deck, 2-channel, all-in-one system to deliver a professional DJ experience. This unit features a 7-inch touchscreen, club standard Nexus 2 layout including colour and beat effects, 2 line phono mixer input, 2 mic inputs, 16 multicolored performance pads. Introducing the XDJ-XZ. Finally, meet our powerhouse professional all-in-one controller, the XDJ-XZ. Whether larger scale gigs to small bars and nightclub side rooms is the main application, this unit features a Nexus 2 footprint including full-size jobs with track display, 14 beat effects and 6 colour sound effects. Superior sound quality including 3-band master EQ, 2-channel line phono mixer, 2 USB ports, 16 performance pads, and a 2 mic input with feedback reducer. Well, there you have it. Hope this makes it a little easier when selecting the best Pioneer DJ controller for your DJing needs.